Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to announce your new job on LinkedIn. This is a great way to share your career milestone with your professional network and let connections know about your new role. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your LinkedIn feed where you can start creating your announcement. After you're logged in, look for the option that says Start a Post. This is typically located at the top of your feed, and clicking it will open up a new window where you can compose your update. This is where you'll craft your announcement, so make sure you're ready to share your exciting news. Now take a look at the bottom of the post composer. You'll see several icons for different types of content you can add. Click on the Celebrate an Occasion icon. This feature is specifically designed for sharing important career moments, making your post stand out in your network's feed with a special visual treatment. From the options that appear, select New Position. LinkedIn offers several celebration types, but this one is perfect for job announcements as it adds context to your post and helps it reach the right audience who might be interested in your career update. At this point, you have the option to add a photo to your announcement. This could be a professional headshot, a photo from your first day, or any image that represents this new chapter. Once you've selected your photo, click Next to move forward. Adding a visual element can make your post more engaging and personal. Now it's time to craft your message. Input a message that includes details about your new job. You might want to mention your new role, the company you're joining, what excites you about this opportunity, or express gratitude to those who supported you along the way. This is your chance to share your story in your own words. Once you're happy with your message and everything looks good, click Post. Your announcement will now be shared with your LinkedIn network, and your connections will be able to see, like, and comment on your exciting news. And that's it. You've successfully announced your new job on LinkedIn and shared this important milestone with your professional community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.